Hello, Mr. Amut. My name is Thomas Parker, and I'm here to present on my website, BotiqueAfrique, which is a fashion store for all things African. A common issue I've noticed is that whenever I want to buy African clothes, I find that I have to go to multiple websites just to get the selection that I want. And this website is intended to solve that by providing everything all in one place. So when you first access the website, you are greeted with a landing page which just gives a brief description of what the website can do, and it gives you the option of going to either the gallery or signing up. When you click on view gallery, it displays the gallery with a few of the selections that we have to offer: rings, bags, jewelry. And we click on know more to get more information about that. But if you're not logged in, it will take you to the login page. If you're logged in, it takes you straight to the home page. So since we don't have an account, we're going to sign up. Let's take a look at this database. When we look at the users table, we see that we have 19 users and we are now about to create our 20th user. So let's just use any name for the new user. As you can see, I've successfully been able to sign up. And when we look in the database and refresh it, the change has been reflected. It's a 20th user now. So we are just going to the login page to confirm that. And when we log in, it greets us with a message and takes us straight to the home page. The home page has a brief overview of the items that are available: head wraps, dashikis, ankaras, print bags, jewelry. And when you click on those items, it gives you the option of going to the collection. What is the collection? The collection is an array of everything that we have to offer. And there are multiple types of clothes, as you can see here. So what's special about this redirection is the fact that whatever item that you click on, based on the type, it will filter it in the collections for you. You can filter based off of gender and the item type. How that works is that when you go to the product table, there are two columns: product type and item type. Product type has the genders, women and men, and item type has the types of items: jewelry, bags, ankara, dashiki, head wrap, kente. So because of that, where the query picks items which have either one of those conditions or both. One for just generalizing the gender, and both for women bags or men bags, women ankara or men ankara, and so on and so forth. It applies to all items in the shop. So we are going to add one item to the cart. As you can see, the current stock was 30, and we are going to our next page, which is sales. Sales has all of the items that are on discounts. And as you can see, there's a banner which is indicating the percentage of discount that things are on. So originally it was 18 cedis, now it's 1080. How it does that is that on the sales page, it has the product ID, which is the product, and the discount percentage. And it takes that discount percentage and calculates it with the original price, multiplying it by its original price, multiplying that by 100, dividing that by 100, and then it gives you the discount price and puts it in the table. And that's why we are able to get a discount price when we add to cart, as I'm going to show you. So I added this to cart, I added this to cart. So when we go to the cart, you can see that the three items that I went to add to the cart are here: 1080, 56, and 36. Not the full price. The bottom two are not the full price as they should be originally, since they are on sale. But then this one is on sale. So I'm going to buy two of each. But I can't check out yet because I don't have user details. So payment details. So I'm going back to my profile to update my payment details. So I go to payment options and I just put in my new details. So I'm just going to maintain my name, but I'm going to change my address, my city, use this zip code. And for the payment, there are two types of payments: credit card or bank transfer, as you can see here. If you choose to pay with credit card, you can just fill these two. If you choose to pay with bank transfer, you can fill these two. But then it's really your choice. You can even fill both because you might end up using both at some points. So you just click on update payment methods and it successfully updated it. So when we go to the database and we go to the payments table, which records all of the payment details, you can see that usually the details that I just inserted in the database have been recorded. So we are now going to check out. So you can go to checkout from carts or you can go to checkout from the homepage, but I'll choose to do it from carts. When I go to carts, I can pick between bank transfer and I can pick between credit card. So when I pick bank credit card, I'm now going to enter my details in. So I can now complete the checkout, right? And as you can see, the checkout has been completed successfully. So when you go to the database, you can see that in the cart table, which contains all of the items that have been in carts for across all users, when we go to the last one, user ID 20, we can see that these two have been updated. These three things have been checked as yes, which means that they have been purchased. How do we confirm that? So when you go to collections and you look for this, the dashiki that I bought at the beginning of this video, you can see that the stock has changed to 28 because I bought two. So the stock has updated. And you can also go to your profile to check all of the things that you've purchased through purchase history. As you can see, there are three things here. Now, when you go to the loyalty points section, it basically shows the current points that you're at and the tiers. This is just meant to motivate users to buy more diverse range of products, to embrace more of the African culture that's around instead of just getting one thing that they like all the time. It's just and there are incentives to it as you get more discounts on further purchases just for your patronage. You can also update your password here and you can view your wish list from here. But as of now, the wish list is currently empty. Let me just add something to it. Add this to wish list. Okay, and now as you can see, the wish list is now populated with the two items and with their respective amounts, even the decreased amount. So we'll go back home and we are just going to log out. Now, there is also the admin page, which gives a brief overview of everything that's happening in their website. So it gives an overview of all the sales that are, all the items that are on sale, the total purchases, and the total products being sold, which are 65. You can see the most recent purchase and the time that the purchase has been made and by which user. And you can also see that for every user that is using the website, you can see the tier, the average points of each tier and the number of users in that tier. We currently have 7 users in bronze tier with 62.86 points and just 1 user in silver tier. The rest of the users have not been recorded because they haven't updated, they haven't bought anything or gone to their loyalty section, so it doesn't record it. So you can return back to the login page with a regular login page, and just in case you've forgotten your password, you can click it. It takes you to a page where you just enter the email that you used to sign in, and that's, which is fortunately here, and you just enter your details. It just gives you a few security questions like what's your address, what's your last name, what's the name of your city, and if it actually does match, like I'll show you, you just submit and you reset your password. And now the password has been reset. And now I can log in with that password. And that's it. Thank you for watching. This is Afrique Boutique.